Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Stanley. Their part number 313161. This is their Magic Access in-swing arm package. And this video is going to allow us to just quickly go over the arm, its dimensional properties, a visual review, what's included in the package. First, there is a link below this video to a document called Operating Manual, which is very handy because it will allow us to review about page 2 or 3 of that document, the overview of the item, and in particular, the in-swing arm, a regular, an in-swing arm, where the body is mounted to the header and you're mounting it on the pull side, is on about page 3, in fact, which is page number 2 of the document, but the third page of the PDF. So it will allow us to get into checking out this material. First of all, let's do a visual tour and we'll throw some dimensions on it. First of all, the track that you're going to get that's going to mount to the face of the door, being an in-swing with the body mounted on the pull side header, you'll have a two-piece system, a main arm and a forearm, but the forearm in this case is bolted to the face of the door, and the main arm connects to the shaft, and then there's a slide block principle. Overall length of the door portion of this track, about 15 3/8, has an overall depth about 1 7/8 inches, and has an overall thickness of about 1 1/8 inches. This is the face that will go to the door. Okay, this is what you'll see exactly from the exterior. This is going to feature a couple of what are end brackets. And what you do according to the installation table there is you are going to mount the two brackets to the face of the door according to the X and then the D dimension, 9 inch over and then 13 1/4 center to center, and get these two items mounted up to the appropriate height of the unit as well. That's very important. And then once the two end brackets are mounted to the face of the door, you will then literally mount the track to the end brackets, and it's going to end up looking just like that. You'll attach it from the bottom, and by the way, screws are included on everything. Before you attach it, you'll insert the slide block into the assembly, and the slide block is certainly included. This little feature to it will go towards the exterior face of the door. Let's review the slide block dimensions. Overall length about 2 1/4, with a depth at about 1 1/4 inches, at a thickness at about 11/16. Locate the mounting holes, attach the brackets to the face of the door, insert the slide block, snap the track end blocks as shown, secure in place with the 5/16 screws. So by step 4, we've got the track attached to the door. Then place the arm pivot pin into the slide block. That smooth end is going to mount into the slide block. It's going to have an overall length of about 2 13/16. That smooth end is going to mount right inside of here. Okay. Now you start to have some installation happening. Then, with the door in the 90-degree position, you are going to attach what would be the main arm down to the spindle. Of course, that threaded end is going to work into the main arm. Now you're getting the concept how it goes. Splines down here for attaching to the spindle, the shaft spindle. Overall length of the arm about 12 3/8. Overall width about 1 1/4 inches, with a thickness right at about 1/2 inch. And by the way, this weighs about 4.6 pounds, the entire arm package it does. So now we've got the main arm attached, and now you're going to simply install it down to the shaft. Then you will complete not only the tightening on the shaft here, but also the screw from the bottom. You're going to get fasteners for everything, along with wire nuts, because you're also going to get the stop the on and off selector switch as well. Okay, so you'll get that. The disc to attach, and the nut of the screw, of course, is included in that package. So you'll get everything to get that up and running. The balance of the operating manual is handy because it will give you an overview of the entire system that you can review, especially the wiring diagram that will be basically near the back of the unit itself. You can see where the on-off switch is going to punch down to the control board, etc. It's all laid out there. The wiring of the micro switches as it pertains to the motor gearbox itself, telling the controller what position the door is in, etc. Finally, if you have any questions on the Stanley 313161 Magic Access in-swing arm or any other Stanley product, feel free to reach out to us. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can view not only all of these Stanley products that we sell, but also links to reference documents, meaning when we get installation manuals available to us, when we have wiring diagrams for Stanley automatic doors, that's the area that we're going to place it. And if you're looking for help on something like a wiring diagram or something, or installation instructions, mechanical installation instructions, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to assist getting that information into your hands. Any questions on the 313161 Magic Access in-swing arm or any other Stanley automatic door product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.